Wir wollen leben, wollen uns bewegen, ohne zu leiden, in Blech zu verkleiden. Wir brauchen endlich neue Ideen, um wirklich neue Wege zu gehen. Motoren brüllen unentwegt, ohne dass es weitergeht. Neue Straßen sind keine Idee, sind von gestern alter Schnee. Autos überall, genervt sind wir in jedem Fall. Neue Straßen bedeuten mehr lärmenden Autoverkehr. Wir wollen leben, wollen uns bewegen, ohne zu leiden, in Blech zu verkleiden. Wir brauchen endlich neue Ideen, um tolle neue Wege zu gehen. Wir wollen leben, wollen uns bewegen, ohne zu leiden, in Blech zu verkleiden. Wir brauchen endlich neue Ideen, um tolle neue Wege zu gehen. Motoren brüllen im Dicht, ohne dass es weitergeht. Neue Straßen sind keine Idee, sind von gestern alter Schnee. Autos überall, genervt sind wir in jedem Fall. Neue Straßen bedeuten mehr lärmenden Autoverkehr.
Trash in the alley, mess on the street. Fly tippers calling, crime's complete. Jumping and running, leaving the scene. No sense of justice, so mean, so mean. Fly tipper, it's a crime. Messing with our time, leave your junk behind. A dirty mastermind. Rubble and rubbish piled up so high. No one to witness, no reason why. Neighborhood crying, screams ringing out. Who left this garbage? It's you, no doubt. Fly tipper, it's a crime. Messing with our time, leave your junk behind. A dirty mastermind. Rubbish piled up so high. No one to witness, no reason why. Neighborhood crying, screams ringing out. Who left this garbage? It's you, no doubt. Fly tipper, it's a crime. Messing with our time, leave your junk behind. A dirty mastermind. Fly tipper, it's a crime. Messing with our time, leave your junk behind. A dirty mastermind. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Mastermind. A history lost, don't show what's been done. The past, it belongs to everyone. Voices echo where shadows meet. A history lost, destined to repeat. 1,000 forgotten roots, every heartache and each defeat. A history lost, destined to repeat. Raise your hands and face the sun. Every story's battle won. Hold the memories bittersweet. A history lost, destined to repeat. Ghosts of silence whisper loud. Ancient echoes in the crowd. Pages torn but never gone. A history lost carries on. Wisdom buried deep beneath in the cracks of city streets. Lessons learned from what's been beat. A history lost, destined to repeat. Raise your hands and face the sun. Every story's battle won. Hold the memories bittersweet. A history lost, destined to repeat. Raise your hands and face the sun. Every story's battle won. Hold the memories bittersweet. A history lost, destined to repeat. Destined to repeat, repeat. A history lost, destined to repeat.
Cadmium phase of fault, I swear it's hard to stay awake. Quantum surges on the rise, Xenon portal has just fried. Possible warp core breach, the ship's about to subside. Engineering decks ablaze, the alarm starts to sing. I run to fix the quantum breakdown, optronics in a swing. Spanners fly through the air, dear spark, better hold tight. Scotty screams and pulls his hair, says we won't make it through the night. Engineering decks ablaze, the alarm starts to sing. I run to fix the quantum breakdown, optronics in a swing. Spanners fly through the air, dear spark, better hold tight. Scotty screams and pulls his hair, says we won't make it through the night. Hold on tight, brave crew, we're in for one wild ride. Fix the phasers, change the course, we'll make it side by side. Warp core humming at its peak, let's conquer this cosmic tide. In the vastness of the space, no room to run and hide. And hide. Warp engine smoking hot as we reroute the main flow. Decks rumble beneath our feet, neutron stars have a hell of a glow. Sparks tapping on the screens, fingers lightning fast. Time to show the universe our ship's built to last. Hold on tight, brave crew, we're in for one wild ride. Fix the phasers, change the course, we'll make it side by side. Warp core humming at its peak, let's conquer this cosmic tide. In the vastness of the space, no room to run and hide. And hide. Can keep us down. Through the void we'll fight and fly up on the strongest around. Together we'll survive, we'll live to see tomorrow's dawn. In the galaxy's grand theater, we are the final pawn.